does that police service have exclusive jurisdiction in their sort of physical bounds?
They have exclusive jurisdiction within their physical bounds, but just for clarity, that does not mean that another police officer doesn't have full authorities to operate within that jurisdiction. That doesn't mean that another police service may not enter into an investigation that takes them into that jurisdiction to conduct interviews or do follow-up. But if there is an incident within that jurisdiction that starts in that jurisdiction, that is taking place in that jurisdiction, that is the exclusive and sole responsibility of that police service of jurisdiction.
Okay, and you just sort of drawn the distinction between jurisdiction and authority. So maybe you can help us understand the difference.
As jurisdiction relates to the legislative responsibilities under the Police Services Act, whereas authorities relate to the authorities that a police officer has to execute their duties.
Now, I want to ask you about the circumstances in which the OPP might be called on to step in, and this is addressed at Section 9 of the Police Services Act, which is on the screen, page 11. So I think the first, subsection 9.1, is at the request of the Commission, which I understand is the Ontario Civilian Police Commission. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. And so what would that look like? Why would that